So Fit for Us is described as a wellness collective. Can you tell me what that means and what essentially that looks like?
At the top of this year, we relaunched. So Fit for Us, although community is very much at the core of what we do and how we exist, we are a creative agency. A big part of what we do is creating opportunities using our partners and our community to really create a marketplace for opportunities to help members, Black operators within the fitness and wellness industry, while simultaneously partnering with fitness and wellness operators and businesses and brands to ensure that they are engaging with our community in an equitable way.
So can you take me through how you decided, you're in the group chat, when you decided that it needed to be something more than just a chat and it needed to, actually be something tangible that could solve the problem?
It went from just a group chat to have conversations and dialogue to a viable business, because we recognize that part of community and part of really being able to further the Black experience within fitness and wellness involves business, right? It involves strategy. It involves a very intentional approach to partnership. And we felt very confident in our ability to do so.
As a person who is getting more involved in fitness, sometimes it's tough because I'll look for tutorials and things and I'm like, none of these people look like me. I can't relate to this. So how is Fit for Us taking on that challenge?
So what we wanted to do was really focusing on Black gym owners, because they exist at this unique intersection of health and wealth outcomes within the Black community.
Now, I noticed when I was skimming your website that Fit for Us really focuses on innovation. So can you explain or tell me what that looks like in terms of the world of fitness? What does innovation look like?
So when we think about innovative solutions, that's broad, right? We're leaning very much into the space of content development, whether that be classes, whether that be platforms for meditation and mindfulness, whether that be direct-to-consumer, wellness-related services, whether it be a life coach or a therapist. We want to be able to provide fitness professionals in our community with a very easy and accessible way to generate a sustainable source of income for their families, for their legacy, and eventually grow and scale in a meaningful and intentional way while maintaining intellectual property of the assets that they create.
And, unfortunately, being Black in America comes with this trauma that you're just thrown into being born in this country. So what is Fit for Us? How are you tackling mental health disparities that exist in our communities?
The Mindful Movement series is something that we've been really, really passionate about. We've been working with one of our strategic partners to offer complimentary meditation and mindful yoga classes. These classes are open to anyone in the community who is looking to participate. It's also an equitable outcome because we are paying our trainers well above market rate because they're worth it, and we believe in them as individuals, but we also believe that if we invest in them, our community will benefit from that. And I think moving forward, we're really excited to have, we have some content coming out where we're going to be hosting conversations that highlight Black therapists and them talking about the experiences of not just them as individuals, but also the responsibility that they have for our community and the creative ways in which they go about addressing the lack of mental health resources that are made available to Black folks.
So how can people get involved with Fit for Us? If I want our viewers to have something tangible that they can do to support your business and as a whole, support the Black community as a whole. So how can they get involved? Are there events they can attend or donate money? What can we do?
Great question. Yeah, so we just finished an event. We had a kickback for our members and supporters. It went great. Over 200 people showed up. It was a rooftop, it was outdoors, it was hanging out, it was open bar, it was a great time. But we are actively looking for partners. We are actively seeking investors in terms of our business model and how we approach this industry. So I would definitely say for folks to head over to the website. It's a great time to be a Fit for Us member, and we're really excited to support our community through the lens of fitness and wellness moving forward.